Y'all probably seen this on Instagram before, TTD-Eye.
Real deal, shawty, you just a knockoff. Shake it up, no Coca-Cola, I'm the one that pop off. Hit me on my Motorola if you need some narcos. I've been working every day, no, I ain't never call off.
Welcome back to my channel. As y'all can tell, oh my god, I am back in my old room. Like, it's so empty. It feels so weird in here. Today is not gonna be like a formal video. It's not gonna be like no video idea, no it's nothing special, like, you know. But I wanted to do this video because I just wanted to see myself what I look like with these contacts. So I got some contacts. Y'all probably seen this like brand on Instagram before. It's like TTD-Eye. That TTD-Eye. I see them on Instagram all the time, and I was like, you know what? And it was these contacts that I wanted for so long, but like, I don't want to spend the money on something that is not like a necessity. I'm trying to save money right now, so like I was just like, you know what, let me hold off until, you know, I feel like I really actually want it, because you know I'm gonna buy something and not use it. Yeah, we're just gonna try this contacts. I actually have in my regular contacts in right now. I need to get my contact case. We're gonna do this little unboxing contact try on haul, I guess. I don't know what this is called. Do people do these? Yeah, they do. So got my contact case. I'm gonna take my regular contacts out. Well, I'm gonna take one of them out because I'm not gonna take both out, because then I'm gonna be blind and I'm gonna be like, if I don't get blurry, I'm not gonna be able to tell. Actually, let me open this box. We're gonna open it. Okay, so the box is pink little. It came in like a little pack, like, I don't feel like you have to go show y'all, but it came in like, you know, them regular like little like thin little packaging things. Oh, it come with some stuff in here. Hold on. Okay, so look, it comes with a little card that says TTD-Eye on it, Seeing Different, and then it has, so they basically have like a whole bunch of information on it, like some coupon code or stuff like that. And it comes with, I don't know if y'all can tell what this is, but it comes with some stuff in here. I can't hold it, but it came with some little tattoos. Okay, it came with tattoos. It says it's backwards, so I can't really read it. To something bloom, to freely bloom, I guess. I think that says. Then it has the little instructions thing. It's like instructions. I got the little warning. I mean, I know how to put contacts in, so like, really, I don't really need this. It just basically shows you like how to clean them, how to take them out, how to handle them. But I do that on a daily basis, so it's like, you know. And then it had, they give you a little contact case. It's like, it's pink and green. It's cute. Got the little, I don't know what's in here. What is this? Oh, they have the little contact thingies. Oh my god, I want one of these so bad. Hold on, wait, I'm gonna show y'all. Let me go through the box. I'm getting distracted. Okay, so and then it comes with some more tattoos. I think it's supposed to be like for Halloween, but it has more tattoos. I don't know what this is. It's like a mouth. It's like teeth, like a bloody mouth. I don't know what it's supposed to be, but I guess it's for Halloween, but it came like a day late. So, and then it came with the little hand mirror, which is super cute. I get so many of these, like hair companies send me these too, and I'm like, bro, like, I literally lose them every time, which is crazy because then I always end up getting a new one. It has TTD-Eye on it. It's purple and pink, so it's really cute. Well, blue and purple and pink, and yeah. Some like holographic glitter. Holographic glitter. It's really cute. I feel like I could use this for makeup or for your nails. Then I don't know what this is. I think it's like a little star or like clip or something. Sorry, I'll stop focusing. Then it comes with this little thing. I don't know what it is. I guess it's like squeaky thing. Okay, I don't know what it's supposed to be, but okay with that. Lastly, the contacts. So the contacts come in this little holographic box. It is super cute. Oh my god, it has a little triangle on it. Then on the back, it just tells you the name of the product, you know, barcode, the regular stuff that comes on things you get. So when I open it, I got the color. I don't know if it shows the color on here. I mean, it tells you what maybe if I open it, it'll show. There we go. Okay, so I don't know if it's gonna tell me which ones I got. And I did get these prescription because, like I said, I wear contacts, so it would make no sense for me to get contacts that aren't prescription, because then I'm just gonna have to wear glasses over them. So I got the prescription ones. I don't think it was anything extra that you had to pay to get the prescription ones, but I feel like it's good because some companies will literally make you pay like an extra $15, $20 just because of prescription. One of my friends calling me. Hold on. I'm actually about to go back into my email and see if I can find it, because it doesn't show you like or tell you which color you got, because I know what these are called, but I really just, I got the queen gray color. That's what it was. I was gonna get the juice gray ones, but I don't know, I feel like these look more natural, and I've seen these a lot on their page, so I was like, you know, let me get it. But the packaging is really cute. I wear 2 different prescriptions. This eye, my right eye is negative 150, 1.5 or 150, whatever you call it. So, and then the left eye is a negative 125. So this eye is like, this eye is the eye that's just like, but I feel like I need a new prescription anyway. I need to go to the eye doctor. And then, but with the packaging, it also tells you like the base curve, the diameter, the thick, like it tells you literally everything. And you can use these for 12 months. You can use these contacts for a whole year, which I feel like is so good, because I don't get the point of like a month contact, like contacts that last only a month. Like, let me stop talking and we're gonna get into me trying these. I'm gonna take out this one. I'm gonna take out the left contact so I can put it in my little garbage. I don't know where that came from. It's so weird. I usually take out my right contact first. Ew, my eye just made a weird noise. Okay. Alright, took that out. Which one is this? This is 125, so I'm put this one in. So we're gonna see, we'll do a little comparison. I'm sorry y'all, it's so weird to like look through like one eye that's like clear and then the other one's blurry. But the only thing they don't give you is solution. So I feel like if you didn't have solution, or if you're not like a contact wearer, you're gonna have to go get some solution. I mean, I can do this literally without a mirror, so let me just do it. And I meant to show y'all also. I'm sorry, my eye gotta adjust to it because I don't really wear color contacts. As y'all can tell, this is what it looks like. And it's my regular eye, you know. Okay, now it's not blurry. I feel like if you adjust it over your eyes, like get used to the contact after a while, it won't be blurry. But I feel like because I just put it in and I keep moving my eye, it just like, with contacts, you literally have to probably wear them for like a couple hours for them to adjust to your eyes. Like, they're not going to be perfectly, like, they're not going to stay in your eye perfectly. They're not going to stay still after you just put them in your eye. This is what they look like. I'm about to show you on the light. Let me get up. Gosh, this is so scary. Look at that. Oh. I really look so different. But yeah, y'all, this is my video done. I just wanted to do an unboxing on these contacts because I see them on Instagram all the time, and like nobody does videos on them like that I know of. Because I feel like y'all probably would want to see this firsthand, just see like, you know, what they put in the box and all that. But I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new, make sure that you subscribe and turn on your post notifications. And I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.
So